turn steering, try again. No start. I've already fixed it. It's very easy. One, two, three holes. I already got the first two. Got an extension. T20 torque head. Alright, and if the steering wheel is fully extended, let's see, fully extended, lift it all the way up, this whole bottom piece here will pop off with a little bit of wiggle jiggle.
Yeah.
Did it from the top, yeah. Pop the top up. Pop up the top. Comes off, fully extended. Give it just a little wiggle jiggle. Oh, I forgot, it's connected right here to plastic or the rubber sort of sheathing. So you gotta loosen that from both sides. Connects down right here on both sides. And then from there, you can wiggle jiggle this sucker out of here. You gotta push the lock back so that it goes in that hole so that you can pop it down. This thing right here is where the locking mechanism, the anti-lock mechanism is. I've already fixed it on mine. You'll hear it when I put my key in. It wasn't making that sound when I was putting the key in before, and it wouldn't even try to start. I watched a guy on a video on YouTube take this sucker out of here, do a whole lot of working. I used my rubber mallet from doing some floor work, or some laminate floor work. Gave it a little tap tap, freed it up. Push the key in, and you don't actually have to turn the key to see if it will work. All you have to do is engage it, and it makes the noise. Cranked right up. 183,000 miles rolling strong.